I will try to teach you everything I know about Unity. In this video I will show you how I used Unity ads in my game Money Dash. Let's see what I have done on my script. First you need the ID of your game in the store you will be publishing of. Next we set the ads of the placements we configured in the Unity dashboard. The variable rewarded color is an internal code I did for my rewarded videos. The banner coroutine variable is used in my code because I hide and show banners depending on the screens the players are during the game. The don't destroy on load function help us to keep a single object containing our ad script and prevent this object from being destroyed when we change scenes. Here is our check internet connected function. So our first function of the ad script is start. Here we initialize the Unity ads for a given store. The show banner function start the coroutine to show the banner or stop the coroutine and hide the banner otherwise. Object variable can be removed here, since it is just for my code. The show intersite function. Here in this function, we will know when an ad start and, if it is a video ad, we should stop the sounds of our game to prevent being penalized by Unity. In the Unity ads did finish function we will know when the ad finished. If it is a rewarded, we give the reward, and in any case, we level up the volume of our own sounds and re-enable the banner. Show different messages depending on the result of the ad. In the Unity dashboard, you can go to Moneas, click on your current project, and in placements you can see your placements ads. This is the ads you have to use in the Unity ads script. From here you can also add new placements if you need them. Now in our game we can see our test banner working fine, and also the rewarded videos. It is worthy to say that at any time, we have to enable the ads in our Unity services. If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe and like, so you help others to find it.